In this video, we will take an existing test case and run it offline via Excel. To start, select your test case and open it. Let's create a new test run. Save it. And now you will notice a button next to the Run button called Run in Excel. The Excel file will be automatically downloaded and the test will remain in a suspended status until we re-upload our completed Excel file. Let's open the Excel file. The same options exist as if we were doing the test online on the Codebeamer interface. We can type in an actual result, define the result of the run, and include the running time as well. To keep things simple, let's pass every step of this test. Then save it, and let's go back to Codebeamer and upload the results. We need to refresh our browser tab to see the results. As we can see, the test was a success, and since we included every step, it's also finished. Detailed statistics can be found afterwards at the test run summary.